Hello everyone, today I'm here because my car was smelling really funny about gas and stuff like that. So the first thing I did, I took the tire off, of course. Make sure you get the right tools for that. And then you have a cover here that I already took off. Should have recorded the video while I was doing it. It's right here. So to do that, we got some screws that looks like this around it. Then you have some pins in there that looks like this. They're gonna end up looking like this. To get this out, please pull this out. I didn't know, and I almost ripped the whole thing up. Pull the middle side. I'll show you how it looks. It's gonna look like this when you pull it out. Once you pull this out, it should be pretty easy to come out. So you pull this out from those pins. Once you take it off, you start looking for any leaks. So but first you gotta make sure you fill the tank all the way up. That way it's a lot easier to spot leaks and stuff like that. So when I took that cover, I saw gas here dripping pretty bad too, because I just filled it up. So what I did is I came and took the seat off, and to take the seat off, you see the seat is split in. It's the whole thing like this, and then it had two things up here. You lift them up, lift the sides up. First you pull up this way. On both sides you got a clip. You pull up, and then once you pull them up, you lift the size of it. It got you notice that you got like a side that you can pull. You pull up and then pull. You should release it. You pull up, lift this up and release it. Look. Then you're gonna have this plate, and once you see this plate, you took the screws out of here. It's pretty easy. I think it's number 8 or something like that. It's 8. Now look what I found. A big leak in there. What I'm seeing right now is that it seems like it's cracked. The top is cracked in there. That's why it's a big leak in there. So if every time you fill the truck or your car, if you smell gasoline, you probably want to start on the top first instead of trying to take the tire thing off. And if you don't see nothing here, then you do the tire and all that stuff, because that's the hardest part. So if you notice here, I don't know if you'll be able to see, look at that. That's a lot. That's why every time I used to fill it up, it smelled like gasoline. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the place to see if I can find it online or AutoZone. It's just the cover, just the top, and go from there. So that's the main thing. I'm gonna see if I can get just the top. If not, I'm gonna have to change the whole fuel pump. So see what happens. Hope this video helped you guys.